Hi, I'm Shelby Cozart. I teach theater here at South Belton Middle School. I'm going to walk you guys a little bit how theater works here for us. All right, here we go. Okay, so I teach beginning, intermediate, and advanced theater. So I have 6th through 8th graders. I love teaching all 3 grades. I think it's really fun to watch them grow from 6th to 8th grade. If you need to reach me, my email is shelby.cozart@bisd.net, and my extension is 3078. A little bit about me. I have 3 years experience in education. All 3 have been here at SBMS. I really do love it here. I have a degree in theater certification from Texas State University. And a fun fact about me is that I have a nephew. This is him down here, Brantley. He is my best bud. I love to hang out with him. And then I have one niece on the way, which I'm very excited about. All right, beginning theater. So this is gonna be my 6th graders. So in beginning theater, we learn basics like memorizing lines, reading and staging plays, technical theater, just a little bit of technical theater, and then we really dive into using your voice and your body as a tool as an actor. Okay, in intermediate theater, we really go in and reinforce those basics. We dig a little bit deeper specifically into staging and technical theater. They learn some intermediates, kind of a step up of acting techniques. And then we have a unit on theater history or world theater, which is cultural theater. All right, and advanced theater. So advanced theater is audition only. So if you really enjoy beginning or intermediate, you can audition for advanced. We do year-round productions. We go and we compete at Renaissance Festival in their student acting competition. They learn some advanced acting techniques. I give some intensive training to my technical students. So those who are really interested in that backstage type of stuff, they get to focus on that really all year long. And then there's some opportunities for student directing. Extracurricular theater, so this is going to be outside of class theater. We do one-act play, which is a competition we do with the other middle schools in the district. We have Tech Olympics, which is a thing we're invited to by the high school where they learn about technical theater all day long, and then we compete. We have spring play, which is a larger play we do in the spring. And then we have, this isn't really theater, but there is a big talent show that I promote at the end of the year. So that's going to be for any kind of talent, not just theater. So that's some stuff we do outside of class. All right, grading. So for minor grades, this is mostly going to be journals. So they do a journal in my class every day. And then another big thing they get graded on is their rehearsal time. So I do teach them how to rehearse. They have a rubric, and that's going to be a big part of their minor grade. And then any other daily work. Major grades are going to be mostly performances and projects. And we only take really 1 or 2 traditional paper tests all year long. All right, that is it for me. Thank you so much for dropping by. I'm having so much fun this year. Your kids are awesome. Please reach out to me if you have any other concerns. See you soon.